as Bitcoin continues to trade sideways and really towards the downside, what is going to happen next, guys? And did Bitcoin meet some of our target prices? Spoiler alert, yes it did, guys. I'm going to tell you right now. One, I'm going to tell you that there is a possibility for us to at least retest 43,000. So we're at 41,000 right now. We met our target price of 43,000 and we got swiftly rejected there, guys. I'm also going to keep you updated and show you exactly what's going on with my trades that I have been executing through Trandingview chart analysis, and also that I have open on Bybit. So if you guys want to see what's going to happen with the Bitcoin price, what we think is going to happen in the next couple days, stay tuned to find out. All right, guys. So guys, let's get right into it. So first of all, I'm going to share exactly what's going on with you with my trades, guys. So as you guys could see here, the past I guess it's last month, I guess, I'm up 4,329, and right now I have a current open position that is down $980, guys. So let's go right into that trade real quick, okay? And excuse the loud noises. I live in an area where there's lots of cars always passing by because I live on downtown, guys. Alrighty, so right here, guys, as you guys could see, I'm down almost $1,000 on this trade. Now, do not be worried. I've been down this much before on trades and they come back up. That just because I fumbled the bag in the beginning doesn't mean I fumble the bag all the time. But guys, yeah, I did fumble the bag. I mean, my last trade I closed it for like $1,000. I left about $3,000 on the table, $2,000 more on the table with that trade. So guys, I'm sharing my journey with you as a day trader. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not an expert. I'm just showing you exactly what I do in order to get myself ahead. So remember that, please. My technical analysis is based for what I think is going to happen, and everybody should always do their own research. So right now, guys, let's see what's going on with Bitcoin. And really, let's see what's going on with my trade, because as you guys could see, this trade, I opened it and the general direction is towards the downside right now. But I had seen that we hit a bottom on this metaverse coin, which I've been trading, and I really started shorting it like way up here, guys. I started shorting it right here, and I should have ridden it all the way down here, guys. I really should have ridden it all the way like here, and I would have made probably about, yeah, somewhere in the range of $3,000. I'm not up I wasn't up 3,000. I only took $1,000 profit on that trade. But yeah, I feel like as long as we don't break this support with force, I think this trade should be okay, guys. Obviously, once we start to break below really this channel and like severely even break below $6, then I'm gonna have to reconsider my position. But I really won't get liquidated until like $5 or something, guys. So I mean, I have a lot of leverage, a lot of leeway. Obviously, I don't want to take a huge loss, so I'll close a position if I need to, even if it is at a loss. I don't want to liquidate my entire trade. So for Bitcoin, guys, for the next couple of days or hours, we are still on the 1 week chart, guys, and the 1 week chart is still towards the downside. So let's not forget that, unfortunately, the chart is looking not super great. This right here is a rising channel, and remember what I've told you about rising channels, guys. I mean, there's a perfect example right here. They tend to break towards the downside. Now, could we retest up here and then come back down? Possibly, but overall on the 1 day, I would not be ultimately super surprised if we kind of got a little bounce. We are kind of pretty low already, but also I would not be surprised if we got a little bit of a break towards the downside. Though we do really need to hold support here, guys. It is very critical that we hold support there. We have yet to see what happens, guys. I mean, look at this wick down right here to like 34 and then shot back up. So could we wick down to like 35, 36 and come back up? Yes, I would hope, as long as we stay in structure. If we break this towards the upside, I could see us easily retesting, you know, at least somewhere in the $45,000 range. That's just what usually happens, guys. Remember, whenever you start to shoot out like this, and then boom, you go like that. Or you could just keep severely breaking down. So on the 1 day and the 4 hourly, guys, on Bitcoin, it seems as if we've kind of got somewhere near the bottom, but I'm not super convinced that we're gonna pump right now. I'm holding on to my trade for basically like I'm basically just holding it on to like make sure that I don't lose money, obviously. But if I start to see things get even more bearish, I'm gonna have to reconsider my position, obviously. And I've told you guys this, I'll close out my positions at a loss if I need to. Obviously I have some profits to cushion that loss. I never try to lose my initial investment, and I've rarely ever done that. Actually, I've never lost more money than I've made, so that's a good thing, knock on wood. So yeah, guys, right now it seems like we're just trading to the sideways. We've been trading around 39,000 for quite a while, guys. I mean, it's been a couple days, guys. It's definitely been a couple days. So I'm really anxious to see what's gonna happen here, guys. I'm really anxious to see if we're gonna break towards the downside or the upside. I really want and hope that we break towards the upside so I can get out of my position, make a little profit, and see what happens from there, guys. So right now, guys, Bitcoin and Ethereum looking the same, guys. I mean, Ethereum looks a little bit like it could come back up more than Bitcoin, but also once again, everybody follows Bitcoin, guys. Remember that. So for right now, we really just gotta sit back and watch to see what's gonna happen, guys. I can't tell you what's gonna happen because we've been trading sideways, and usually when you trade sideways, that means there's a move coming. But I'm having a hard time telling you exactly where it's gonna go because it's just not super clear, guys. There's once in a while it's not super clear. So right now this is where we're at, guys. So keep on the lookout. If you're in a trade, make sure you stay vigilant, stay aware. Thank you very much for watching. You can always get out of the rat race too. I'll see you on the next one.